Hey guys, this is Abhishek from Technics Media. Today we are going to do the unboxing of the Sony camcorder, which is the model number of this camcorder is STR CX190E, and it comes with a PAL system here in India. This is how the box looks like. You get a free memory card inside the box from Sony, which is of 8 GB, and you can do full high definition video with this particular camcorder, which you are seeing over here right now, and it comes with a 3-year warranty. When it comes to the battery, it comes with NVFB 30 battery, NVFB 30A battery, which is around 500 mAh. If we talk about the connectivity options of this camcorder, it can be connected to a TV, which is a normal CRT TV, via the AV cable which comes within this package. And it can also be connected to an HDMI port TV, which has an HDMI port with a mini to normal HDMI cable, but you will have to buy the mini to normal HDMI cable on your own. It doesn't come within the box. As far as the lens of this camcorder is concerned, it is Jesus lens, Carl Jesus lens, Exmor arc sensor, and this is some technology from Sony. Here are the other specifications. The exact model number of this camcorder is STR CX190E /BCE35, and the contents of the box is a power adapter, an AC power adapter, a power cord, USB cable to connect it to your PC, an AV cable, a user manual, 8 GB memory card as per 1 unit. And if we talk about the other things which are mentioned on the box, here you have the mention of the NP-FV100, which is a popular battery from Sony, which can actually increase your overall backup time with this camcorder. So basically you can use a higher battery as well after buying it separately from the Sony, and you can increase the overall recording time and the backup time of this camcorder once you use a higher mAh battery, a higher power battery. If we take a look over the back side of the box, here we have some of the features which are explained, that you can actually play a video on this camcorder and it will play it automatically on your TV once you connect it to your TV. And then you do have the option to connect it to your laptop, and Sony does offer you the facility to upload the videos through their online service, which is there. They have a separate online service where you can actually upload these videos. Then you have a direct copy to HDD, that is because this camcorder actually supports an HDMI memory card, and it comes with an 8 GB SD memory card, which is class 4, which may not be very high speed, but it works pretty fine with this camera. With this camcorder, basically the video camera. And then you have the option to actually connect it, make a DVD out of the content which you have recorded on the memory card using this camcorder. And if we take a look at this side, it is actually telling us about the extended features, that is this particular camcorder has 30x of optical zoom, and it gives you this 30x is the optical zoom, and you can have more digital zoom if you actually zoom the picture on a computer. Then you have the steady shot, which actually takes shot which are being taken when the object is actually moving, so the object will not be blurred in that case if you enable the steady shot feature on this camcorder. And then you have the difference of images if you capture an image with Exmor arc sensor and without Exmor arc sensor, which is there in this particular device. Then you have the backlit feature, which is explained over here. So let's open the box and show you the contents of the box. Here we have the box. So this looks like the battery manual, the replacement battery or any other new battery which you would like to buy from Sony after buying this particular camcorder. You do have other options of buying a tripod from Sony, another hand tripod, some USB cable options and other accessories which are actually mentioned over here. One thing which we would like to bring to your notice is this camcorder comes with NP-FV30 battery, and here we have the suggestions for the other batteries. That is NP-FV50, FV70, FV100, and these are the milliampere or you can say the power grading of these batteries. So highest power battery is NP FB50, which is quite bulky and big in size, and it has 3900 mAh power. So these are the accessory manual. Then we have this is the digital HD video camera operation guide. So it will tell you about the features of the camcorder, how you can use, what feature you can use. It will also talk about the software interface of the camcorder, and it actually is telling you the accessories which are coming up with this particular device, how you can actually use that accessory to connect it to your TV and for charging the camcorder. So the battery is actually placed with the camcorder when you charge it. We will explain this later on. Then you have the Play Memories, which is actually a service from Sony. You can go to this URL and download the software, which will actually allow you to edit the videos which you have captured using this camcorder. And this is how you can connect the camcorder to your laptop, as it is shown over here. And if we talk about other things which I mentioned, so it is a multiple language manual, so it does have the instructions in other languages like Chinese and other. So let's go in further, and here we have the customer care center numbers. In case you experience any problem, this is the manual which you can actually use to contact the customer care as per your region. And here is the warranty statement from Sony. So this is the warranty statement guide from Sony. We can use it because this device has a 3-year warranty time. And let's go inside, and here we have other accessories. So let me just first of all remove the first one. So this is the USB cable which comes with the camcorder, with which you can actually connect the camcorder to your PC. You can connect the cable which is actually coming out from the camcorder over here, and then you can connect this to the USB 2.0 port on your PC. This is the cable which comes for the connectivity. And here you have the cable for the TV connectivity, with which you can actually connect the camcorder by connecting this end to the camcorder and this end to the AV ports. These are for the AV. So if you have a AV ports on your TV, you can connect it. You do have the HDMI connectivity as well on this camcorder, but you will need to buy a cable separately for that. And here's the 8 GB memory card which comes from Sony, and it is class 4. It supports 15 Mbps per second as far as the write speed is concerned. Here we have the camcorder with us. Let's take a look over the camcorder. This is how the camcorder looks like. This model comes only in black color. You don't have the option of choosing a color. When it comes to CX200, you do have 3 color options, but in this one you have only black color. And this is the section for the tripod mount, so you can fit this to a tripod. And on this side it says some of the features, that is, it has 30x extended zoom, the XZoomer sensor, steady shot and eye auto mode, and the lens is 5.3 megapixel, and you can also take a picture with this, and it does record the video in high definition format, that will be AVCHD format. When it comes to the interface, here is how the interface on the camcorder looks like. As we haven't inserted the memory card, so it won't be able to record any video. We will come up with sample videos later on. This is the button with which you can actually preview the photos which we have captured using this camcorder, and this is the toggle button. If you can see, this is the toggle button to move in between different items, and if you close this, the camcorder will be automatically powered off. And on the top side of the camcorder you have the mode selection, with which you can toggle in between the video mode to the audio mode, to the picture mode. So this is right now in the video mode. If you toggle it, it will go to the photo mode, with which you can actually capture the photos. Then you have the capture button over here, with which you can actually take the photo. And this is the zoom in and zoom out. As you can see, the button is quite easy to use. Here you have the slot for the speakers. You do have some slots for the speakers here as well. And this is how the camera lens looks like. You do have the option to close the camera lens by using this button over here. You can close it and open it manually, and this is something which you will need to do manually. It won't open automatically if you power on the device. And what else? Okay, and here we have the option to do the HDMI out in case you have a TV with HDMI port. So you will need to buy an HDMI cable, a mini HDMI to normal HDMI cable, with which you can connect this thing to your TV and watch the videos on your TV and the photos as well. And here you have a micro USB slot with which you can connect this to your computer as well. If you buy this kind of a cable, you can connect this to your computer as well from here. And when it comes to the slots, the memory card slots and other connectivity slots, here you have the slot for the SD memory card. This memory card will go inside like this, and here you have the slot where the AV cable will go in. Let me just show you. So this is how the slot for the AV cable looks like. It will go inside over here on this port, and then the other part will go to your TV. And here you have the charging slot. Let me just show you the charging cable first of all. So this is the charging AC adapter which comes with this particular device. You do have a power charging cable. This will go to the power port, and this one will go inside this adapter. This is a genuine Sony adapter from which comes with this particular device, and here it will go inside. And once it goes over here, then you have the other end of this cable which will go inside the camcorder to actually charge the battery. So you have to actually insert the battery over here to charge the camcorder, and you can insert this thing over here. You can insert this cable over here and it will start charging your device. Here we have the battery which comes with the Sony camcorder, which is 500 mAh, and the model number of this battery is NP-FP30. And here we have the camcorder, and here we have record, start and stop button. So you can actually fit in a large battery as well on this camcorder. You can upgrade the battery as per your own preference, and you can buy it separately. So you actually need to plug this battery to the camcorder to actually charge the battery. You can definitely buy an additional accessory which allows you to charge the battery without the camcorder. Otherwise you will have to use this long cable to actually charge the battery. And then you do have the rubber strap over here with which you can actually adjust as per your own preference, as per your hand size. And then you have a cable over here which goes inside this thing, and if you take out the cable, you will be actually able to connect the camcorder to your computer by using this cable which comes within the package. You can connect this end to over here, and once you have connected, you can connect the other end, which is a USB 2.0 to your computer for the computer connectivity, and transfer the data from the memory card without removing the memory card from this particular camcorder. And another thing which we would like to tell you is that it comes with a bag as well. You do have a Sony branded Sony camcorder case which comes with this particular camcorder. This is the branded Sony camera case which comes with it, and you can easily place your camcorder inside over here. There is a lot of space. You can place the camcorder over here and some other parts, some other things related to the camcorder over here, battery and other things. And then you have another pocket in this carry case where you can insert you can have the memory card and some other things like cell which you would like to keep over here. And then you have an extra pocket over here as well where you can keep more stuff. And you do have the strap which can be adjusted as per your preference, as per the length which you would like the strap to be, so that you can carry this bag on your shoulder or on your waist. You can also tie it to your waist by using the slots over here, which a belt can go inside through these particular slots, and you will be able to bind it to your waist as well. So that's all regarding the unboxing thing. We don't have anything else left in the box. As you can see, there's nothing else which is left in the box. We have got this camcorder for around 18,000 Indian rupees. The MRP of this camcorder is 19,990, but if you go for a bargain price, you can actually get it for 18,000 rupees. And do let us know if you have any comments or questions regarding this camcorder. Please leave them in the comment section below. Do like this video if this video helped you to get some information, and please feel free to like, subscribe, rate and share this video. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.